Hello everyone, thank you for tuning in today to Izzy the Tech Guy. Wanted to do a quick video on unions today. So let's go ahead and jump into this. So we did talk about joins, another way to put two tables together. If you don't want to use joins, is unions. So right here, I have this data set. Again, we're going to be using that AdventureWorks 2022 data set, and we're using SQL Server. So if I go ahead and run this query right here, it gives me a result of 19997. So what I'm going to do here, just to show you how unions work, I'm going to do a count on this table. And now you have something called union and union all, and I'll show you the difference between them two as well. So then let's go ahead and do here, top query, that's source. Take that out, bring this in, and then we're going to duplicate this query, control copy, union. We're just going to start with union first, and then we'll jump into union all. And this is the source for this one's going to be bottom query. Now let's say for instance you have two different tables. They kind of have the similar values, but you want to combine them together. And let's just say, hey, they don't have a source where you can join on, but you want the outputs. This is an option right here. So if I go ahead and run this union all, hopefully everything's correct. Yep. So the numbers are the same because again they're the same table. It's just one's labeled top query, one's labeled bottom. So let's go ahead and take this out here to show you. This is going to help illustrate the difference between a union and a union all. So let's run this again, and my expected output is supposed to be one row. And now let's put union all in and run this again. So you see here the difference. So when you do union all, it just takes everything. It doesn't matter if there's duplicate values in the table, it's just going to combine it. So if you don't want duplicates for whatever reason, the tables have the same source, same data set, I would recommend you just use union. But if you don't care, you just want a raw output, then use a union all. So hopefully you guys enjoy this today and you guys have a good day.